Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you're watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 1C, and this is the MSC Physics MPH 004, and the wave function for a particle is given by. Before starting the answer of this question, so if you need answers of all the questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number which is showing on our screen. We provide all type of solutions of your queries. If you are in any college or you are doing any degree, so you can contact us and tell us about your problems on our WhatsApp number. We provide all type of solutions quickly in a day, and thank you so much for watching. The question number 3 is the wave function of a particle is given by phi sine x equal to n l square minus x square minus l x and l and 0 is elsewhere. Calculate the normalization constant n, and so if you need answer of this all the questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp. We prepare all type of questions according to the numbers, and if you just write all answers on your sheet, just thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.